So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. It looks like she's going to be getting a pixie cut. Ooh, I really like that texture that the stylist is creating. She does have longer bangs in the front to frame out the face. Gorgeous salt and pepper Peter Pan style pixie. This is absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone, looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Nice, classic, simple, effortless bob makeover. Followed by yet another bob. Now this one is much shorter than the previous one. Still a nice, simple, classic shape. Here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Oh, another beautiful bob. This one is also of a mini bob variation. She does have some nice side swept bangs going with this look as well. Very pretty. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, look at this shaggy curly cuts. Her curls are just pure perfection. Absolutely beautiful. So much fullness and volume. And then we move on to yet another bob transformation. Now she has a lot of fullness in this bob as well. Her hair looks so volumized. Wow, absolutely stunning. Look at the volume. This is just gorgeous. And then we see someone here with a bob. Looks like she's gonna get some color added. A little bit of a trim. Very nice, fresh mini bob makeover. And the color looks amazing as well. So next up we have someone styling their pixie. Now she has a lot of hair in the middle here, so she can really play around with the styling options. She can do curls, where their hair spiked up into more of like a mohawk style. So let's see what it is that she ends up doing. So far it does look like she might be going with like a mohawk shape. She sets the hair with the spray. And then she did kind of pin down the front portion, kind of giving like that pompadour look. Very pretty. Nice way to wear a modern pixie style. So next up we have someone who wants a Jennifer Aniston inspired haircut. This one is of a classic bob. Very nicely done. I really like the dimensional blonde color that she has for this look as well. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.